That's Kirsten.
I'm Eric.
And I'm Jamie. We regret that we have to do this episode, but we want to do it as a final farewell to our good friend Paul the trailer.
He's been our trusty companion on all of our road trips for the last 4 years, and in this episode, we deliver him to his new owner.
We're gonna miss you, Paul!
So this is our last goodbye to our great trailer that we've had so many years with. Our trip originally was meant to be cross Canada, and we were thinking that we'd be taking it from Vancouver to New Brunswick and back. But what we decided halfway was to actually consider maybe letting go of the trailer and the truck so that we have enough time and more time actually to put towards the other cities so we're not so rushed. And fun enough, there's been 2 great stories that came out of this. We met this great guy, Chad, and Kim, his wife, who was really interested in Paul, our trailer. And then also we met Steven, who actually became the buyer of Paul. And he's a great guy. So yeah, now we have to say bye to Paul, who we've had so many great memories with. All of these bumper stickers. We actually only added one this year, and that's Revelstoke. We weren't able to find any bumper stickers because of COVID. A lot of the souvenir shops were closed, so we're missing a bumper sticker for Saskatoon, for Winnipeg, for Thunder Bay, for Toronto. But yeah, so how do you feel about all this?
I'm definitely going to miss Paul. We did like a whole renovation on the inside. When we first got it, it was very different from what it is now. So yeah, I'm definitely going to miss Paul.
Yep. Well, we had lots of great memories with Paul. Paul served us well. He's been a faithful companion, and I guess I'm just happy that it's going to a great family. So, Stephen, take care of Paul, and make sure you keep in touch and let us know where Paul goes with you. Stephen, the new buyer, wanted us to deliver Paul to him, so we did that. Little did we know where he wanted to park Paul. There's a big stump. There's a big stump there. It was on a rural property in Ontario which had more trees than buildings. The challenge was to get this really big trailer in between a few trees, which required a bit of meandering.
No, go on top, go on top. No, you'll be too close, I think.
Watch my sewer pipes.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Oh, yeah, your sewer pipe might be a problem, eh?
That's why going. Okay. You have to turn a lot. No, other way, other way. No. No. More. Turn more because you have a more this way. Yeah.
It took a few turns, but we finally made it through the zigzag of the trees.
Keep going, just be careful you're on the stem.
to the driver's side more, okay? There's a hump in the back.
I'm afraid when your wheel hit it, it might kick it back up or something.
Well, I'm going to pull it forward. I might not need that. I'm going to pull it forward to clear this stump.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So he might not need that. He's not going to need it.
Sorry about the rain.
Oh.
Yeah, you clear. Just straight back now. Okay, more to, just turn your wheel a bit to the passenger side. Oh. Okay. Yeah, you're clear. Yeah. Perfect. That's good. Yeah. Is he clear, Stephen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
My studio is
Oh, are you scratching on something? Andrew, can you check what he's scratching on?
not here, or not nothing on this side. Yeah, this one. Check the other side. Height there. No, that's good. Yeah, check, go up there.
Oh. You have to turn to the passenger side more because there's not enough room for the trailer. Is the sewer pipe scraping, Andrew?
No, it's fine.
It's fine?
Just on the grass right now.
Is it clear? Is it clear, Andrew?
Yeah.
Okay, Andrew says clear.
Too much. Yeah, you
Too, you turning too much, Eric. Okay. Yeah, can you do it straight up instead of turning? Yeah, this is good. Just straight back, straight back.
Normally we have 250 people coming in and out of the studio. Yeah. So they don't want that.
You
So
see
we
it?
are
Straight
doing it
back.
from home.
Just don't turn anymore.
And, persons in the studio.
Andrew, can you watch the sewer?
Okay, turn more.
Turn more to my side, to the passenger side.
You're clear on this side, just turn more because you're going too far.
Okay, I see. Okay, perfect. There you go. Okay, now turn to my side. Turn to the passenger side.
This back wheel is just about to hit that stump. Just so you know. You're okay though.
Okay, you have to turn to the passenger side, otherwise you're going to hit the back tree. Oh shit.
So it's all good on this side, just have to turn more. Turn more.
Wide angle, actually.
Yeah, it's good. Turn more, turn more. Well, I think he wanted to be a little bit more this way, but let's check with him.
Oh, that's good. That's much easier. Yeah, those leaves aren't good for the trailer, the roof of the trailer.
Yeah, I'll get someone to cover it.
Wow, so we managed to back this in for Steven. Okay, so we are finished with the orientation. And there's the trailer in his new home in the woods. And there's Steven. There we go. Happy new owner. Gonna take good care of it. Bye, Paul.
It was hard saying goodbye to Paul, but I'm sure that he's in good hands with his new owner, Steven.
This is the second last episode of our epic road trip. Check back in with us next week as we do a final wrap up, sharing with you our personal highlights of the trip. This is where Paul is now, safe and sound in the woods of Ontario.